Okay guys, basic structure of the human body. So ano po yung mga basic structure of the human body? Human body can be divided into head, cervix, neck, trunk, torso, upper limb, arms, and lower limbs. So upper limbs, yan po yung hita. Yung lower limbs naman yung ating mga binti. Okay? Yung ating mga legs. So, head, bumubuo po yun ng head, cervix, neck, chest, and upper limbs, and abdomen and upper limbs. So, trunk and torso, yung palms sa ating kamay, and lower limbs and soul. Pag sinabing soul, yan yung talampakan. Okay po? Pag sinabing na soul. Okay. So, ano po yung ibig sabihin yan, Minasang? So, for example, okay, nervous system. Okay. So, ano po yung mga nervous system? Andyan po yung ating brain, spinal cord, peripheral nerves, and nandyan din po yung ating spinal nerves. So, pagdating po sa spinal nerves, magkakaroon tayo ng brain nerves or ang mga brain spinal cord po natin ay may kanya-kanyang kumbaga parts. So, ang brain nerves po natin bumubuo ng 12 pairs. Ang spinal nerves po ay 31 pairs. So, yan po yung peripheral nerves. Yung central nerves po natin ay yung brain or spinal cord. So, saan po mag-i-start yan? Magmula po dito sa brain to spinal cord. So, pag ito po ang nagkaroon ng damage, so may tendency na po tayong hindi makalakad. So, ano-ano po yan? Okay? Central nerves or brain spinal cord function, the brains gather information from the rest of the body. So, yan siya po ang nag-give ng information sa ating katawan, analyze and makes judgment, and gives order to the rest of the body. So, yun po ang ating central nerves, ang brain spinal cord. Siya yung nagbibigay ng information and nag-gather ng information or give the order to the rest of the body. Okay, the spinal cord is connected to the brain. So, ayan po yung sinasabi ko, connected to the brain from brain to spinal cord and make its own judgment on the information and gives based on a function of relying information from the brain to the rest of the body and vice versa. So, siya po yung nagre-relay ng information from the brain to the rest of the body. So, ibig sabihin ng ating brain to spinal cord ay nagbibigay ng function of relaying information. So, pag wala po yan, so parang patay na yung ating katawan, o ating pag-iisip. Diba? Pag wala na yung hindi nagpa-function siya, nagpa-function yan, so may tendency na tayong lantang gulay. So, hindi na tayo, wala ng proper function. Okay, the peripheral nerves, cerebral nerve, and spinal nerves. Okay? So, yan po naman ay ang ating, the peripheral nerve system is divided into anatomical in classification. Okay, brain nerves from the brain and spinal nerves from the spinal and spinal cord to function, classification, and somatic nerves, and autonomic nerves. So, siya po yung nagkakaroon ng system, nervous system. Okay? I-divide it into anatomical classification. Okay, so distribution of nerves. Ano po yung mga distribution of nerves? Yan po yung okay, dito tayo. Saan po ba yun? Paano po ba yung distribution ng ating nerves? So, ito po yung cerebrum, yan po yung ventricles, midbrain, corpus, callosum, thalamus, cerebellum, hindbrain, or brain stem. So, dito naman po pagdating sa ating hypothalamus, pituitary gland sa ating lalamunan, dito sa may ating mga langala, and pons and medulla. So, yan po yung mga parts. Okay? So, siya po yung bumubuo. Okay, meron po tayong about sa ating brain nerve cells. or mga brain pairs. Okay, dito sa ating brain pairs, yan na po yung binubuo ng yung kanina sa ating cerebrum, encephalon, mesencephalon, and pons, and cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. And then, sa spinal cord naman po, mula rito, meron naman siyang head, chest, and abdomen. So, mula rito, pababa. Tatlo yan. Then, sa spinal nerves po ba, naman po ay ang peripheral nerves, divided into anatomical classification and somatic nerves from spinal cord. Okay? Okay. So, sa atin pong regions of the brain and other function, and each part of the brain has its has own core function. Meron siyang core function. Yung cerebrum receive to information. Anong cerebrum? Guys, ito po. Ang cerebrum, ito ay ang receive information. Okay? So, and then, yung central control of the autonomic nerves, yan po yung encephalon. Okay? And yung hypothalamus, ito po yung hypothalamus. Then, yung cerebrum, role of the brain. Cerebrum, ito. Cerebellum, sorry. Cerebellum, cerebrum. Ito, minasang. Cerebrum, siya yung receive information. And then, yung ating role of the brain, yun yung cerebellum. Okay, ito yung cerebellum. Coordinate of the movement. So, siya po yung nagko-coordinate ng ating movement. Coordinates of the body balance, regulation of motor movement. So, siya po yun. Okay, brain stem. So, ito po yung brain stem. So, controls life-supporting functions such as regulation in heart rate, respiration, and swallowing, etc. So, siya po yung nagsasabi kung paano mag-regulate ng heart rate and respiration and swallowing sa paglunok. Okay? It plays a central role in maintaining life, regulations, beating, heart, movement, body temperature, and blood circulation. So, itong si brain stem, ang trabaho niya ay body temperature and blood circulation, etc. And siya po nag-maintain ng life regulations, breathing, heart, and movement. Okay? So, naintindihan na po, guys. Okay. Okay, yung autonomic nerves, yung act unconsciously and regulate the function of internal organs they consist. Yung sympathetic and parasympathetic. So, yan po yung ibig sabihin ng function of act unconsciously and regulate the function sa mga internal organs natin. Pag sinabing internal organs, yung po yung may mga sympathetic nerves and parasympathetic nerves. Ano po yung trabaho ng sympathetic nerves? So, yan yung mga heart rate, blood vessel, constriction, lungs, bronchodilation, and motility and sphincter contraction. So, yan po yung mga, pag ikaw ay sympathetic nerve, ikaw yung may tendency magkaroon ng pulse rate increase. Okay? Ang sympathetic nerves po, ayan ang pulse rate increase. Ang parasympathetic naman po, yan yung resting o yung pulse rate decrease. So, dalawa po yan, ha? May increase and may decrease. Sabihin ng increase, siya yung goes up or tumataas yung kanyang heartbeat o blood pressure. Di po ba? Lahat nagiging increase. Nai-increase lahat. So, pagka naman po parasympathetic, nadi-decrease naman yung kanyang pulse rate, nagkakaroon siya ng delay, goes down, ang kanyang blood pressure, yung pupils niya nako-constrict, yung intestinal tract niya napopromote to movement, and bronchi constrict and decrease. yung mga respiratory tract nagkakaroon ng decreasing. Okay? So, yan po ang ibig sabihin ng dalawa. Yung sympathetic increase, para po mas madaling matandaan, lahat ng mga nagiging malfunction, nagmamalfunction, yun ang parasympathetic. Okay? Okay, yung naman pong mataas, ang kanyang pulse rate increase, yun yung sympathetic nerves. Okay? Yung parasympathetic, yun yung resting, nakapagpahinga siya. Ito naman, yung masyadong active. Okay? Para mas matandaan niyo po, yung sympathetic active, yung parasympathetic, yun naman yung non-active. Para mas madali pong maintindihan ang explanation. Okay? Ano po ang ating points to remember? The autonomic nerves control the function of internal organs. Okay? When the autonomic nerves are not working properly, your heart and other parts of your body are affected in a various ways. So kaya dapat guys, ma-maintain po natin ang sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. So kailangan normal ang kanyang function. Okay? So mas naintindihan na po. Okay, so next topic po tayo. So, about naman po sa ating nervous system, consists of the brain and spinal cord. So, yan po yung kanina, yung peripheral nervous system, somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system, sympathetic nervous, and parasympathetic. So, yan po yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Siya po yung nagpa-function ng ating parasympathetic and sympathetic nerves. So, yan po yung ating, tandaan po natin yung mga nervous system na yan. Okay? So, dito naman po tayo sa skeletal. So, ano po yung tinatawag na skeletal system? Human body consists of a combination of big and small. So, meron tayong bones na 206 in adults. Has 5 function and psychologically, the human spine is curved, is unshaped. Yung pag nakukuba ang ganyan, o nagiging S-shape ka. So, yan po yung nagkakaroon tayo ng human spine in curve on an S shape. Then, meron tayong bone na 106 bones pag adult. So, ito na po yon. Guys, tingnan natin sa screen. So, yan po yung bone ng ating katawan. Okay? The skeletal system of the human body consists of a combination of big and small bones. The major function of the bones include to support the body, and to play the part of the locomotor system. Number 3, protect the internal organs. Number 4, store calcium. And 5, hematopoietic function. And psychologically, the human spine is curved for an S. Okay, ano pong ibig sabihin nun, guys? Okay. So, ano po ba yung locomotion? So, yan po yung muscular system related to maintenance, human body, related posture, and information of internal organs. So, okay. So, yung pong tinatawag na humerus, stereo radius, ulna. Okay, so na po yan, sorry. So, ito na po yung muscular system ng ating mga muscle. So, okay, babalikan po natin ito mamaya. And then, yung pong mga cervical vertebrae, dito po sa ating spinal cord, and kaya po nagiging S na ganun. So, yan po yung tinatawag na cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, and lumbar vertebrae. Dito po yun sa page 56 sa ating SSW. Paki-review na lang po sa page 66 ng ating SSW book. Okay. So, andyan po yung magmula sa shoulder, magmula rito. Ito po yung tinatawag na humerus and radius and femur, ulna. So, yan po yung mga parts. So, pagdating naman dito sa ating spinal cord, ito yung cervical vertebrae. Dito sa gitna yung thoracic vertebrae and lumbar vertebrae dito sa may balakang. So, yung clavicle, ito po yung mga tawag dito. yung pinaka-collarbone natin. Okay. So, naintindihan na po natin yung ating mga skeletal system.